Kung may mga blanco yan lumusot, that is not a valid legislation. Mali ho yan. Please correct it. Or recall the budget and demand an explanation kung bakit dumating sa inyo yan na ganun ka-blanco. Para ka binigyan ka ng blanco check dyan. O sige, bahala na kung ano ilagay ninyo.
He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying. And he's lying because he knows perfectly well that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie.
But what happened next? Billions went to budget insertions with little oversight. While Marcos told the public it can't be done, the truth is out.
Ang problema natin dyan is hindi kami ang mananagot dyan kung mayroon mang pagkukulang sa bagay na yan dahil BICAM report yan eh. Wala kaming kinalaman sa BICAM report. Ang may kinalaman lang kami yung finished product na pinapirmahan sa presidente.
Isang tanong, ba't nyo pinirmahan?